What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome to this video in which we'll be covering Ethereum. After yesterday, when we had obviously a huge crash caused by the entire FTX drama, I think we should say now, because it really is about FTX. It is about FTX, and it's about Alameda Research. It's a sister company, venture capital type of company. Yesterday, we had a little spike because of the news that they would get acquired by Binance, probably. But yeah, obviously in the end, it looked like that was bullish, but obviously it's very bearish as well, because that means that they need to be acquired very quickly. So that means that there are big problems. So yeah, that news altogether made us drop down. You could see from the candle I just deleted that I said in the last video. I said like, if we really get some bad news, then we'll drop down all the way to 13,400, 1340. Well, in the end, we dropped down all the way down to our previous support level from September and October, around 1250. We are finding support there now. I mean, Ethereum compared to like Bitcoin is still pretty strong, because we're still pretty far away from the support levels. Like if you would compare Ethereum and Bitcoin like one-on-one, the charts, Ethereum should be at 900. But there's just less selling pressure. A lot of Ethereum obviously is locked up. So that's causing less selling pressure, and that's, in my opinion, making it a better buy. But obviously we still drop down a huge ton. So yeah, it's not it's not the one thing that can save you from these moves. But altogether, so I wanted to talk about what can we expect now. It's all about stability. I think we can see some more stability soon because of the volume of FTT dropping. This volume needs to drop down even more, though. It needs to really get under 1 billion. If that's under 1 billion, then we will probably see some more stability also for Ethereum, because that means that the whole saga and everything that's going on is kind of it's kind of cooling down, which we really need. Apart from that, we're still in a heavy, like fundamentally heavy week. We're going to have the midterm election results probably today, today and tomorrow, and then we'll also tomorrow have the inflation rate numbers, which is going to make the market move as well. So I mean, we cannot say a lot except for, I think it's like we might actually drop down to like 1250 once more, and we might even spike down to 1225. But it seems to be that we have found some sort of an area where we can actually stabilize. So I think we'll just consolidate between 1350 and like 1225 ultimately, until we get those inflation rate numbers. And then altogether, the fundamentals economically are actually pretty good for crypto. DXY is at its lowest point where it's been for the last 1.5 months. The midterms don't seem to affect the price that much, but it's going to be about that inflation rate. Inflation rate is going to make the market move again, probably pretty heavily. Definitely now that we are in such dire market circumstances. But until that time, I think we can actually find some stability. I mean, for Bitcoin, I'm still pretty scared that we could drop down lower. But for Ethereum, I mean, you should know, if we break down below 1200, we'll drop down all the way to 1050. But I don't. It seems to be stabilizing now. All right, it seems to be. Obviously, I didn't expect a move like this as well. So think for yourself as well what's happening. But yeah, that's at least my 2 cents about it. So that's my take on Ethereum this morning. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.